Namaskar. Welcome to Conversations with Rakesh. Here's today's question. Sir, I work in a very good company. Unfortunately, there are few people in my organization spreading malicious rumors about me. I feel misjudged, misunderstood. This has taken a toll on my confidence and my productivity. I am now contemplating that I should resign, go to a new city, find a new job, and start all over again. What do I do? You know, um, I'll tell you what to do slightly later, but my first request is how long will you keep running away from such people? These people will never go away. Even if you go to some other city, find a great job, वहां पे भी ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे क्योंकि इन लोगों का काम सिर्फ यही है. They target people like you because they know कि तुम भाग जाओगे. And two, they get tremendous pleasure in torturing people like you. So if you run, they win. Why would you do this? Why would you let them win? So, my dear friend, this is a turning point of your life, and my first request is do not run away. Stand up and fight for yourself. ये लोग बहुत easily available होते हैं, कुछ काम नहीं होता है इन लोगों को, and they in fact target the people who they know will run away. And if you run away, you proved them right. So stay wherever you are. And if you stay wherever you are, these people will get the message. It is very easy to run away. It is very hard to stay where you are. And this is that one moment of your life which I think you should not escape from. So whatever you do, कहीं मत जाओ, कोई resign करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You deserve to be in a good company. You deserve to be in a good job. This is a self-esteem issue. And if you run away, आपकी self-esteem crash हो जाएगी. It will never recover. So, if you want to have a good foundation of self esteem and self confidence, you should tell yourself that I deserve to be here. I deserve a good career. I deserve a good life. And in that, there are these people who are harming me. So, I'll deal with them. But I will not run away just because these people are spreading malicious rumors. So, please, my sincere request is first request before I go to the others is कहीं मत जाइए आप भागने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Stay where you are, and now let's talk about how to deal with such people. There is this lovely movie called Wonder, which I encourage you to watch. Wonder is the story of a young boy who is about to join a school, and his mother is very worried because the child, when he was a small baby, had serious issues. So there were a lot of surgeries on his body. Because of these surgeries, there are a lot of scars on his face. So he's disfigured, and he always wears a helmet because he hides himself. And he's also very worried कि मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा सब मेरे को छेड़ेंगे मेरे पे laugh करेंगे. So it's a very delicate moment. It's a lovely movie, and it's a good book also. So please watch that movie because it talks about how sometimes we feel like running away because we have to protect ourselves, and you are feeling the same things. It's a self-preservation thing. But in that movie, he goes to the school. His house has amazing support system, and in the school, two good things happen. The first good thing that happens is that he finds two, three good friends. One of them becomes his best friend, and he starts to support him. And they enter into a science competition together, and they make the coolest science experiment. And the whole school loves that experiment. And he becomes this most popular kid in the school, and his confidence skyrockets. He's happy at school, his best friend is there, everybody wants to be with him. And that is my second request to you, that your office, please find one or two good friends who give you that safety, make you feel good, and make sure you work very hard and prove something earth shattering very quickly, because your work will give you meaning. Your results will shut those gossip mongers, and the world will see कि अरे this person is so good और ये लोग तो फालतू ही गंदी खबर फैला रहे थे. So your work and your results and your tribe are those very important steps for you to start working on. So that's request number 2. Request number 3, these people are like bullies. जो gossip mongers होते हैं वो target उन्हीं को करते हैं, इनको पता रहता है कि कौन बोलेगा कौन नहीं बोलेगा. So you need to learn to speak up, be a little bit assertive, and this is where you can also take the help of your manager, the HR grievance system, and maybe some mentors. Have a chat with them. You need a support system. Have a chat with them, take them into your confidence, and then assert with these gossip mongers and rumor creators yourself. और अगर वो फिर भी नहीं मानते हैं, so then you raise a formal complaint and fight the battle. But these people have to have that message given to them. That assertiveness is very important. वरना ये लोग क्या करते हैं, किसी और को टारगेट करते हैं, and it's important for you to step up against them and help them realize that they can't do this and get away. And there's a process and a system which you should use to fight with them. And the last thing is, please start reflecting on your own self-esteem. If your self-esteem is going to be damaged by inconsequential, jobless gossip mongers around you, something is wrong. I think this is a very important turning point for you. And it's giving you a signal कि कुछ करो उसका. So please strengthen your self-esteem. Tell yourself that, hey, I deserve to be here. I don't need to run away. I deserve success. And don't bother much about people who have nothing else to do except spread malicious rumors about you. कब तक जियोगे अपनी जिंदगी ऐसे लोगों के around? So set them right. Get your work tribe right. Get your results right. Go through HR grievance and redressal system and manager to give you that process, and start becoming assertive with these people, because that's the only way you can stand up and fight for yourself. Your self-confidence and self-esteem will increase, and these people will put in place. So take care of yourself, don't run away, and I hope that you put these gossip mongers, jobless people in their place and shine in your life. Stay safe.
I am very excited to inform you that we're doing 3 batches of my 1-day in-person leadership program called Inspire. This program is a highly curated program which focuses on how you can use foundations of oratory, inspiring speeches, storytelling, engaging audiences, and become an inspirational speaker. Now, here are the dates. The first batch is happening in Chennai on 19th of July. Then we are doing another batch in Hyderabad, 26th of July. And last not least, Bangalore on 23rd of August. So hurry up. I look forward to seeing you in these cities, and I look forward to learn with you. Stay safe.